Indonesia is the largest archipelagic nation on Earth. Its ocean territory spans more than 6 million square kilometers and contains some of the richest marine biodiversity on the planet. The country's fisheries are currently benefiting from improved protection from illegal foreign vessels. Fisheries are only one source of value that Indonesia derives from oceans. The value of coral reefs for tourism alone is estimated at over $3 billion per year. Yet every year, between 500,000 and 1.3 million tons of plastic waste flow into Indonesia's oceans. The government is targeting a 70% reduction in marine plastic pollution by 2025. Policies will also be required to protect marine ecosystems and share the benefits widely through the community. Through such measures, and by building on the efforts already underway, Indonesia can prioritize sustainable growth and make oceans the center of a prosperous future.